Managers may want to assign preventive maintenance checklists a label to differentiate types of checklists. FacilityBot's checklist label feature lets managers categorize checklists with labels for filtering and reporting. To use this feature, log into FacilityBot web portal, go to Settings, then Checklist. Select Plus New. You can start from a blank template or with a template from FacilityBot's checklist library. Click on Add Label, create a new label, and give your new label a name and select a color. Once done, click Create. Once you have created a new label, managers can assign it to checklist. Click on Add Label. Tick the box beside the label you want to select. The checklist will be assigned with the label you just created. Click Save and Approve to save the changes. Back on the main page, checklist labels will appear below the checklist ID. Once a parent checklist has a label, all child checklists created from the parent will have the same label. Go to Settings, then Checklist. Hover on selected checklist and click on the plus icon to create a child checklist. A floating editing panel will appear to confirm your choices. Alternatively, you can scan the checklist QR code using the FacilityBot mobile app to create a new child checklist. The newly created checklist will appear under Features, Checklist, Pending. The child checklist will have the same label as the parent checklist. Managers can filter checklist data using checklist labels. Go to Statistics, then Checklist Data. Select a label from the menu. Once selected, click on Apply Filter. Managers can filter checklist calendar using checklist labels. Go to Features, then Checklist. Select Calendar on the far right. The page shows a calendar view of preventive maintenance checklist. Click on the filter icon. Select a checklist label filter. Once done, click Apply. The page will show the checklist with the selected label.